Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about decimals and their types. According to the definition, decimals are the numbers that have a whole number part and a fractional part separated by a decimal point. Here 123 is the whole number part, 78 is the fractional part separated by a decimal point. Got it? Also, in this case, 7 and 8 are called decimal digits. Example 1, 7.5. Here 7 is the whole number part and 5 is the decimal part or fractional part. Example 2, 0.25. Here 0 is the whole number part and 25 is the decimal part or fractional part. Observe here, the decimal part can be written as a fraction. Here also, the decimal part can be written as a fraction. So, the decimal part is also called the fractional part because it can be written as a fraction. Got it? As of now, do not worry about how to convert decimals into fractions. We will learn in detail in the chapter decimals. Tomorrow, we are going to learn about types of decimals. So, please stay tuned with me. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.